So tell me something. Do you still fight for your dad's validation?
No.
You don't. When did you stop?
Well, in tiny ways, it's a very good question. In tiny ways, I found myself. Like जैसे हम कभी drive back कर रहे होंगे ना, and I'm driving, I'll play like a Jagjit Singh because I know he likes it, and so we can vibe to it together. It's this silent scream that a son, relays. He will catch it sometimes. He will sing along sometimes he won't. But in broad parameters, no. Dude, I'm fucking getting married to somebody who's not even Indian. There's no validation left to get. In fact, I broke that door so hard, I would traumatize them, specifically say stupid shit so that they'd be like, हमारा बेटा कुछ भी कर सकता है. अच्छा चलो शादी तो कर रहा है. Right? Like I broke that entire spectrum for a very long time. In some ways, मेरे को पता है मैंने पापा के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता. कुछ नहीं खरीद सकता. I cannot provide. There's no car he cannot buy for himself. No watch he cannot buy for himself. No trip he cannot buy. Right? But I mean, that's his money. That's his money. So I know I can show him that his son's doing tremendous work. I know what he likes about it. I know when people come up to him and say, आप तो प्रखर के पापा, he loves it. So I give him that. And in that way, you can say, I still fight for his validation, but no